I will explain how to crochet a Möbius strip using rib crocheting. You can make headbands and neck warmers using this method. The only difference from ordinary rib crocheting is the second half of the first row. And the rest is the same. There are two sections of the first round, the first half, which we crochet on the top of the chain, and the second half, which we crochet on the bottom. Let's crochet the first half as usual. When you generally crochet in the round, crochet a slip stitch here. However, when making a Möbius strip, you do not crochet a slip stitch, instead, you use the ends of your yarn to join the pieces of fabric. The threading method is the same as when making a basic loop. Here, you turn the fabric half and crochet the latter half. You will start at the stitch you made with the yarn ends and then return to the stitch next to it. Notice that in the latter part, the direction of the stitches is opposite of usual. The principle remains the same. When crocheting a single crochet stitch, you insert the hook towards you, and when crocheting a purl single crochet stitch, you insert the hook towards the other side. Once you have gone around once, crochet a slip stitch to complete the first row. From now on, just crochet as usual. That was the way of crocheting the Möbius band using rib crocheting. The basic method is the same as for a regular band, so if you want to add a little fun to your design, try it. Thank you for watching.